So in this video, I'll show you 7 different ways to accompany yourself on piano, and it will immediately help your piano playing. It'll make you sound more like a professional, fluid piano player. Some of the techniques are quite straightforward. Some of them have some theory that might be new to you, but I'll go through these techniques one by one. There's 7 altogether, and we'll use a sequence of chords and we'll loop round that sequence to show you the techniques. So the sequence is C major, A minor, D minor, and G major. So you can imagine, for example, you might be playing with some other people and they've given you this sequence and you're just thinking, what shall I play? What ideas can I use to make it more interesting and varied? So the first approach is to use basic chords like this. Very straightforward. The left hand plays the bass note of the chord of the right hand. Very straightforward and works okay. I'm using the pedal quite a lot to give it a bit more sustain. If I don't use the pedal, it sounds like this. So I would definitely recommend using a pedal. So that's the first approach. Second idea is arpeggios, like this. Very straightforward. I'm going up and then down. You could start at the top and come down. But I think most people like to go up and down like that. So those are arpeggios. The next one is a seesaw approach, or a rocking rhythm. So if you look at my right hand in detail, it's well, I'll show you now. It's the top 2 notes of the chord coming down, change chord, just adds a little bit of movement, which can be useful. Next idea is the root and fifth in the left hand. Now what I mean by that is you take the root note of the chord, which is a C, and you add the fifth, which is, it means it's the 5th note of a scale, the major scale, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to play C and G. Or you might just want to play those together at the same time. Just adds a little bit more weight. So if I play it with, if I play it without, it's just a bit thinner. That's really the difference. Now you can use different rhythms. You can do a fastish rhythm. Or a slower rhythm. So that is a root and fifth idea. Next one is inversions. An inversion just means you take a chord like this one with 3 notes and you take the bottom note and put it at the top. It sounds brighter than the original one. And you can keep going up and inverting the chord. So you take the bottom note here, just put it at the top. So it sounds like this. So very many good, fantastic, world-class piano players use different inversions. So they won't play the root note like this, the root chord. They'll play one that's like this. So that's an inversion. Now let's use some inversions for that chord sequence. There you go. So next one is sevenths. A seventh chord is something like this. That's called a major seventh, which is a very kind of soft, jazzy chord. It's used a lot in bossa nova. And here's another seventh. And another one. So in this key, in this example, think of it like you are playing one note, missing one, and then playing another one. Those are sevenths. With the sevenths, you can also invert those. So I'm going to take the B at the top and put it at the bottom. So that gives it a particular sound. So if you're interested in those chords, I personally think they're a very good thing to study, because they just sound more interesting than standard chords, and you can get very complex with them. So let's look at the next tip, which is connecting phrases or notes. So let's imagine you've got the C going to the A minor, then the D minor. It's a bit boring. So what if we add some notes? If I'll start again. Just some connection. Those are connecting notes. Or you could have phrases. Those kind of thing. You will have heard this before in many, many songs. So those are connecting notes or phrases. So let's put those all together, and I will just go through that sequence a few times, adding some different things. I think I'll add some more things like octaves as well to beef up the sound, and see if you can spot anything else that is different or adding some kind of texture or variety to it. So here we go.